Hi, I'm Adam, a senior at the University of Michigan, and I built Splicer, a code migration agent, because I love all the new vibe coding tools coming out, but I've wished that they could reuse code they've already generated without having to actually transfer and wire it up manually. And so with Splicer, you can spin up three versions of a web page with Google AI Studio, Lovable, and Bolt, and then combine all the best pieces into one page. So this is a demo of me using Splicer to transfer a cool network sphere component that I had previously made over to a new landing page. So you connect up the repository, send the prompt, and then the agent gets to work, and you can see a live preview on the right. You can also switch to the source repository from that button in the top left, and that will allow you to kind of see the component that you're moving before it's moved over and see how successful it acted, and maybe just look at the streaming on the left and make sure it's doing what you're doing. So this is the component that we're moving over now, and I also added into the prompt to change the labels of the sphere to be motivational. So let's see how it did. Now as the prompt finished, it switches back over to the target repository web container, and you can see the network sphere right there. It matches the colors of the BSumming landing page, and you can also see the motivational labels with things like make an impact. And so successfully transferred over and made the changes requested. And you can see here all the changes are made on a PR ready splice branch in GitHub. It added the dependencies needed, transferred over the component, and made the changes that we asked for, and then finally wired up to the index page. Here's another quick demo I made with websites for guests to use. So if they don't want to sign into their own GitHub, these pop up as defaults to use. Overall, this agent is powered by Gemini 3, and it follows a lane graph framework that uses a planner node to send off instructions to the source and target repository agents. The source repo will choose files to copy, which the paster agent will paste where the target repository agent says to, and then finally the integrator agent will wire everything up, and there's a check for errors and a cleanup node for unused files. One last feature I think is really cool and shows the potential of where this can go is just this fork button I added that allows you to use any repo with an appropriate license as the source or target repository. Thanks so much for watching. I had a great time building this, and I'm going to continue refining the agent and expanding access.